Picture, please.
So this is my pool.
This is my pool.
You're on video.
You can click the camera on the side. Very good. Okay, and you drink it. Very good. Oh. Mamma mia.
Very good.
Napapakanta siya.
You like it? I think this is what we call this in the United States custard.
Custard, yeah. Here it's leche plan, my love. Leche plan.
It's your birthday, Uncle Bob.
Happy birthday, David. Happy birthday, David.
My birthday's done. It's number 18.
18.
Ako, Mama. Iinis ako minsan. Sino ba yung nag-trip tayo ata yun? Tinanggalan ko yun.
Parang naalala ko yun. Na nag-swimming yata tayo.
Mama, alam mo nung pandemic, natawa ko sa kanya daw, nadudun ako sa bahay nila. Diba pandemic? Eh di ba sobrang active ko yung militar? Lahat ng sumunod. Yung sumunod, ay iba yata yun. Bumigat ako. Ay, no. Bumigat ako. Ano na, ikaw kasi na yun. Meron na. Dito lang po. Ito na, nawala na sa kanya yung nawala na rin sa kanya yung
Okay, go. Straight your legs. At the back, straight. Yes.
You gotta keep on kicking. Keep on kicking.
kukunin ni Junjun yan eh. Grabe yan.
Palaka na naman siya.
Huh? Very good.
Galing ah.
Learning to swim, aren't you? Good job.
Okay. Rest first, rest. 5 minutes.
We got extra bubbles in the pool. Yeah. Yeah, I just felt extra bubbles.
You can swim anywhere.
He just loves the tuna.
Yeah, like that. Very
There
good.
you go. There you go.
Ganda paano sa ilalim.
Hey! Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, that's better.
Hey,
Yeah.
you can go diving.
What?
Diving.
No, they say you can't dive.
But I can dive.
You can do lots of things, David.
Yeah.
But not now.
When I go in there.
You know, you'd think after a half hour he'd get wore out.
No, it's not.
But you know what? You can eat hot dogs and rice like no anybody.
Kagabi. Last night.
And hot dogs.
Ay, may lasa na yan.
Oo, tita, kaya lang dinagdagan ko lang kasi nakakala.
Tingin.
May lasa na
Ooh.
to. Pero matutla.
Oo.
Dinagdagan ko lang.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, buti naisip mo muna. Para ano.
Say hi, brother.
Hi! Now,
What you doing?
I want Last time.
Wanna tender juicy. Ah, syempre, dito tayo. Dito tayo sa the best of the best. You can do it, blow it. So hot. That's why you have to blow. Oh, tell Uncle Blob to blow it.
It's so hot. This one is so.
Oh,
You want to taste?
here.
Blow it. That's our cook. Ang dami na nagawa, kuya. Magkano po isang steak?
10 lang.
10 lang. Parang masyado namang mura po yan.
Mukha ba? 20 na yan sa 25 na nga rin.
10. Stick lang yun eh. Sabi mo, stick lang eh.
Ah,
Wala ka naman sinabi kasama yung hotdog.
ganun ba yun? Clever. Very clever. Yeah. Inta wise. Wise.
Ice? Quays.
Kais. Kais wahid talata arba. Kamsa. Sita seba. Tumenya.
Dati yan lagi marinig yung sinasabi mo.
Nakakamiss, no? May Arabic sa amin eh.
Oh, meron?
Smile. Kami na magpipicture dito. Okay. Yan. Teka lang, masyado mataas naman ang ceiling. Yan. Ito. Ayun na. Masarap pala pag spray. Masarap. Analo.
You're a white black rock.
Itong ipang ano mo, dip mo kuya. Kuya, ito yung pandip mo yung sauce. Dito.
Nasaan yung paper plate?